welcome to Winslow Invest. So in this tips and tricks for Excel, we'll be looking at how to make macros. So let's say that we want to fill in this table with some data. So first off, we have the column of exchange and then the type, which will input some crypto. So let's say that we say exchange 1. That could be a name of a real one, and that will be having Ethereum, it will be have Bitcoin and Polygon, given that this is a crypto exchange. And then we want to copy this, so we could do like this, but then as you see, it will automatically start to increment based on the number. So instead we will just do like this to get the amount on the 3 rows. Now we want to make a macro that can autofill some of this information for us, such that when we enter a new exchange, it will be auto-filled in for the next 3 rows, along with the type of cryptocurrency. So the way that we will do so is by, for example, saying exchange 2, and then we will go up here under view and then record macro, and we'll call this exchange. You can also make a shortcut for it if you want, and you can choose which spreadsheet it should be in, but we'll just stick with this entire project. Then we'll say co. Then basically what we'll do is that we will copy these 3, put them down here, and then we will copy this right here. And now we can go under stop recording the macro. And now we just want to fill in this information next time we write something. So now that we have our macro, we're going to test it. Remember that you have to have this use relative references clicked on, such that it can use any reference throughout the table. Else your macro won't work as intended. So let's try write a new exchange 3 right here. Then we'll click it, show macro, and we have it right here, and I will execute this macro. And as you see, it now autofills the next 3 columns with the exchange name in the row, and it automatically copy the 3 types of crypto to fit along these 3 rows. And then we can just continue like this, writing a new exchange, go and run our macro. Of course, we can make a shortcut to it if we just want to quickly execute it. But this is basically how you record macros in Excel. This is just a simple example. I can guess that you can find some very creative ways of using it. It's a very powerful tool to avoid doing tedious tasks over and over again. This was all for this short tips and tricks. See you next time here on Winslow Invest.